Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the object.freeze property with the read-only type. So today we'll be discussing about symbol type and its usage. So basically we know that symbol is a unique, immutable, primitive data type often used as keys for the object properties. So we have already discussed about the symbols, right? While we were discussing on the JavaScript concepts as well. So we have discussed about the symbol. So what is symbol basically? Again, I'm telling, say symbol is a unique, immutable, primitive data type often used as keys for object properties, right? So let's go with the initial example, creating unique symbols. And also, let's see one example, that's enough. So basically, if I try to run the code, we will get the error while I make use of the symbol, because we have to set the lib compiler to the ES 2015 or later. I'll just not run the code. Let me quickly write the code and let me explain what I've done, right? So let's go with a simple example, creating unique symbols. So just come here, const, I will consider here symbol 1. This is of symbol. Let me give something. Here I'll just give description which is relevant for this example within the strings. So I'll just come here, I'll give here symbol 2, which will be again symbol of, let me give here description again. So if I try, I'll just give here, I'll just log here symbol 1. Let's compare this one with symbol 2. We have to get the boolean, this one, right? Boolean, we have to get the output in the form of boolean value. So I'll just give here sim1 equals sim2. So the output that we need to get here is false. So sim1 and sim2, this one, symbol 1 and symbol 2, whatever I have made use of here as the variable name, sim1 and sim2 are unique despite having the same description. We have the same description here, right? You can clearly see here sim1 and sim2. They are having the same description, but they are unique despite having the same description. Again, I'm telling sim1 and sim2, they are unique despite having the same description. And also output, symbols are always unique, so false is logged. Again, I said this one clearly, right? Despite having the same description, they are unique. So while we compare this one, sim1 with sim2, we they are unique, they are always unique, and we have to get the output false here. So if I try to run the code, I'll get the error because we have to set the compiler, I mean lib compiler to the ES 2015 or later. So basically I'm making use of the online compiler, right? So you can try in the VS Code as well. So just we have to set the compiler to the ES 2015 or later, right? So here you can clearly see we are getting the error. So change your target library, try changing the lib compiler to ES 2015 or later. So this is fine. I hope the concept of this one, symbol type and the usage is completely clear, right? So next, let's discuss on the topic advanced generics with multiple type parameters. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.